Okay. Alright, back to flying this morning. I'm really happy we finally got some weather. It's really cold out there. I think it started off like 20 this morning. It's a little warmer than that now. But I have a nice heater in this cockpit, so I'm going to go finally test this airplane with its new AHRS installed and readjust my autopilot if need be. I did find my old settings and I reset those, so I think I'm going to be okay there. I think it's just going to be a matter of testing it out, hopefully, and that's it. Let me taxi out here and look at what my sock is doing. See what the windsock is doing. Yeah, I think I'm taking off. It's a little bit favoring going west, so that's the way I'm going to go. Just about warm enough to go here. But then, of course, I'm testing, like I said, the autopilot today. Replaced the eye level. They took the eye level back from me and replaced the Wi-Fi chip inside, and they basically replaced the whole board in there. Everything's all brand new, so I should be able to see on here. I should be able to, because of that, all my settings for the autopilot were erased. At least I thought. When I got it back, though, they had it all reset to what I had done. So this is good. It's already. I think it's already done. I'm just going to go up and turn it on and see how it works. Initially, though, we're just going to fly it. This is the first time I've really flown it with good weather, smooth, and the prop to its new pitch, 4600 static. So I'm interested in my takeoff and climb performance. I'm also interested in my top end speed, and then I'm going to probably do a couple stalls to see what the bottom end speed is also. I'm going to turn the heater back on low because I'm plenty warm in here. One thing about this airplane, it does have a great heater. Okay, so I'm just going to be here between my place and Portage and Skeets today. I've already let Mike know where I was going to be, Tammy and everybody. I'm going to try to verbalize certain things, like when the nose wheel comes up and when the wheels come off the ground, so I can get a feel for how much takeoff distance I'm using, just because I want to be able to get a feel for that with this new prop setting. I put the batteries in the tail. My weight and balance is a little bit different, so we'll see how this goes. Hopefully I can remember to do that. Okay. All right, we're going to go. Those wheels in the air at about 50 feet. Airplane's just tickling the runway about 450 feet. Wow. I was airborne a lot quicker than I wanted. I was kind of paying attention to something else, and I looked down and I was at 40 miles an hour, 41, and it was flying. 4,800 on the climb, 100 miles an hour. 100 miles an hour. Let me trim the tail a little bit here. And I'm doing 1,200 feet a minute. I'm doing just about 13. I got 20 gallons of fuel on board plus myself. I'm not at max by any means, but not particularly light. Wow, that's cool though. That's my temperature's 168. It's real cold out today though. Yeah, so my climb rate today is over 1,000. I've seen, now it's 1,100 now, and I've seen anywhere from that to 1,500. 49, 48, shuddering, 45, 41, 39, still not sinking, 35, 33, 32, I'm sinking now, 31, 35, 32, no brake, she's just sinking. 0, I got in the 20s and I got to where it was 0. Oh my goodness, so it's so slow. I'm just going to add a little power here. And I did sink to 3,000 from 3,400. Holy smokes. That's amazing. I got it to where it wouldn't register. It was in the 20s, 31, I saw 29, 28, and then it went to 0 because it just couldn't register anymore. It's too steep of an angle, and the airplane's just floating and falling like a leaf, kind of. So that's amazing. That's just absolutely amazing that the airplane will do that. Okay, so that's that. Let's turn around and we'll do a kind of a speed pass here and just see what the speeds are. I'm going to have this, of course, on video, otherwise I'd be writing it down. I'm going to want to watch this. I'm at 4,100 RPMs now. I'm going to turn back around here to the west. 3,900 RPM, and I'm about 96 miles an hour. Climbing ever so slightly. Got a wind out of the south, which should make a difference. This is indicated airspeed. Okay, so let's see what we get, and let's say a normal, let's say cruising setting of about 4,600. Let's see what we end up with here. So 4,600, that's coming out to be about 115. 116, still getting up on the step here a little bit. 119, 4560, I'm trying to be at 4600 on the power. 4600, I'm at 2810, 116. I think it's going to be about 115 is 4600. Okay, so let's try 4800 and see what that does. So 4,800 is 124 indicated. 125 we're going to call it. Let's go to 5,000. 5,000, see what that does. There. 5,000 is going to be about a 128. You can see the difference between 46. Let's go to 52. 30 and 52. So it's so not worth it to go from this setting, 46, where it's a lot quieter, a lot more comfortable, 4,600 RPM. What you do is you let the thing accelerate. I think when you finish climbing and you're going on a cross country, you know, let the thing accelerate up to speed, then set your 4,600 if that's what you want to go with. And right now I'm at 120. Let me make sure I'm not descending here. I'm descending just a smidge, that's why. I was expecting 115. So 2740. Yeah, it's going to be about 115. That's 4,600. I am ecstatic with that. 115 miles an hour at 4,600 RPM. Let's try the autopilot. I love this system. You just swipe it over, there it is. So what I'm going to try first is what used to work really well. And we'll try it at, let's say, 2,700 feet, because at 2,800 feet, that's where we are. Let's go altitude, 2,800 feet, apply, and see how she does. 2770, 2780, and I've got 2800 in there. I got a helicopter over here. It's probably the over from Ravenna. He's 1,600 feet below me though, so we're good there. 2790. Trying hard to do the. It's trying hard to do the 2800. 090. Let's do that and apply. See what kind of how she does on a turn. And in a minute we're going to nav over to Portage. In a general intercept heading, and it kind of just leaned a little bit more towards that heading. Okay, so now I'm in nav mode. It turned towards the course, and now we're getting closer to the course, and it looks to me like it's turning towards, to join the course. Oh, if it does this, that's going to be just so sweet. Yep, I can see the heading changing to join this course. I'm going to let it join and see how it does. I'll tell you what though, this thing joined the course perfectly. Absolutely joined the course, and there's a pretty good wind out of the south, so I'm really happy with that. So let me go back to heading mode again. Let me go to south. Let's apply that, and let's go to heading. Wow. Fantastic. Portage area traffic experimental 601 Kilo Tango's turning final runway 27 Portage. There. I like the way she's flying though. The autopilot's working great. Boy, everything's just working really well. Nothing kicked off like it was before. Speeds are pretty amazing with that new prop setting, and the takeoff is still fantastic at climb speed, climb rate, and all that. All seems to be pretty good. that was fun.